Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the MCQ questions on subject quality assurance technique. As you all are aware that 8th semester examination for final year B.Pharm is going to be of MCQ pattern. So in this video, we are going to see some questions related to quality assurance technique, specifically on a topic of validation. So let's see this with the help of some questions one by one. Now here the first question which I have taken is a definition. Now let's see and read this question in detail. A documented evidence which provides a high degree of assurance that a specific process, product, equipment will consistently produce a product meeting its predetermined specification and quality attribute is a definition of. So the various options which can be there for this is as follows. So calibration. Now as we have studied the various topic from QAT, so this is not the definition for calibration. So is it a definition for qualification? No. Is it a definition for validation? It may be, or none of the above. So here we are having four options which are given. So as you know that it will be a multiple choice question from the various choices which are given by the university. You have to select a suitable option for the questions which are given. So the answer for this question is validation. Now validation is a documented evidence. This is the first point which you have to remember regarding validation, which will provide a high degree of assurance. Means it is a part of quality assurance that a process, a product or equipment will produce on a continuous basis a product which is meeting the predetermined specifications as well as the quality attributes. So while preparing any pharmaceutical product, validation is a very key element. So it is a documented evidence which will provide a high degree of assurance to the quality assurance team that whether a process or a product or equipment will continuously produce a product which will be meeting the predetermined specifications and the quality attribute for the product. Now let's move to the next question. Now accuracy and precision are the parameters of. Now as you know there are various types of validation. Now the various options which can be given for you for such a kind of questions are as such. So here the question which is asked is accuracy and precision are the parameters of which types of validation. So the first option is analytical method validation. Then we have process validation. The third option, that is C, it is given as equipment validation. Fourth one is cleaning validation. So out of these four options which are given, accuracy and precision are the parameters which are specifically used for analytical method validation. Now moving towards the next question. Next question is, when validation is to be considered? It means when we are going to consider or when we have to go for validation. Now directly I have populated the answer over here. So whenever there is a totally new process which is going to be used in the industry, that time we have to carry out validation. Whenever you have a new type of equipment coming into your manufacturing unit, or it can be a testing lab, that time you have to carry out validation. And process and equipments which are altered to suit changing priorities. So these are the situations or conditions when validation has to be considered. So this is the first video in which I have just taken 3 questions so that you may get the glimpse how the questions can be asked for QAT. I hope you students will be benefited from this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and shortly I will be coming with various videos on the MCQ specifically related to quality assurance technique. Thank you.